Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learner's Book for Grade 2 and I am Ahsan. In my previous videos, I have done these pages with you till page number 17. Now I'm going to start with page number 18. So this page was done. It is written page number 17 here. This page is done in my previous video. Okay, now look at this page number 18. What is this? It is draw a different representation of the number shown. We have to draw this number on a different pattern. Okay, the easy way for students is 53 is equals to 50 plus 3, or they can write that 50 plus 3 is equals to 53, or we can do it in number walls as well. Number walls work like this: two bricks on the bottom and one brick on the top will be the sum of two bricks on its bottom. Sorry, it is 50 plus 3 is 53. This is called number wall. Okay, next, compare your presentation with your partner's presentation. Okay, kids can do this in school, how their friends have represented the number. Okay, here are some pieces of 100 square with write the missing numbers. Okay, these puzzles are very interesting and easy. If you understand it once, they are very easy. Here is a very simple rule of these puzzles. Draw a plus sign and write minus 10 plus 10, minus 1 plus 1. Okay, it means that when we go upwards, we have to do minus 10. When we come downwards, we have to add 10. And on the left side, it is minus 1, and on the right side, it is plus 1. Or we can say that this is up and down is counting in tens, and left to right is counting in ones. Let's start with this one. 14, 4 will be changed in 14 and then 24, and when we will go this way, only one number will increase, that is 25. Okay, now it is 8, and this way I will write 9 and 10. And when we will go downwards, it will be 8 will be changed into 18. Okay, if I show you a number grid, hundreds grid, let's see if I can do it. Let me clear it. Hundred chart. This chart. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you, that it is a hundreds chart, and when we go from left to right, it is like see, if we have chosen the number 5, if we go left side, it is 4, like minus 1. Okay, it is counting in backward countings. Or when we go right side, it is onward counting. We can take any number like 45. When we will go up, it is 35, 25, 15, backward counting in tens. When we will go downwards, it is onward counting in tens, 45, 55, 65, 75. Okay, on left side it is 44, 43, 42, and on its right side it is 46, 47, 48, and 49. Okay, now let's do this puzzle. This one, it is now we have to come downwards, so it will be uh, counting in tens, 32, 42, 52. Here it is 53 because this way it will go with counting in ones. 53, 54, 55, and upwards it is again 45 and 30, 35. Okay, we can check our answers by writing the numbers here like 32, 33, 34, 42, 43, 44. But no need to write it on the book. You can just check it in your mind. Okay, now let's do this puzzle 67. When we will go upwards, it will be 57, and here it will be 56, and down it will be 77. Okay, next is 45, 35, and here it will be 55, 44, and 46. This number is 79, and then 69, 89. On left side it will be 78, and here it will be 80. I hope that it is very much clear to you and there is no confusion in these puzzles. Okay, counting up to 100 objects. As this is just grade 2, so here we will introduce how to work with numbers up to hundreds. Okay, now what is this page? Exercise 1.2. Which tens number is missing from the grid? Okay, what is missing from the grid? It is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 is missing, 80, 90, and 100 is written. Which tens number is missing from the grid? 70 is missing. Okay, they are not arranged or organized in any manner. They are just random numbers written in a chart. Okay, next is write tens. Write the tens numbers in order from 10 to 100. Here they said that we have to write in order. So here, can I write 40 first? No. They said that write in order. So I will write in order. Let me zoom in. This size is better to write on the screen. And let me take this pinkish color. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, now next question is Aaron and Zara make some numbers. Aaron chooses the tens, Zara chooses the ones. Write each number they make in a part whole diagram. Okay, so Aaron chooses the tens and Zara chooses the ones. If I write any number like 76, if I write any number, 1 minute, let me write it here. Like 76, I have written the number. It is tens side and it is ones side. Okay. So they are saying that Aaron chooses tens. Aaron has chooses tens and Zara chooses ones. Zara is choosing this side, one side. Okay, write each number they make in part whole diagram. What Aaron chooses? Aaron chooses 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. In tens and ones, Aaron chooses 4 tens. And Zara chooses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So what is the number? It is 45. And what will we write here? Aaron chooses 4 tens, means Aaron chooses 40. So we will write 40 here. And Zara chooses 5. Okay, 40 plus 5 is 45. This diagram is called number bond. Okay, now how to write these numbers? It is tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 7, sorry, 7 ones. Okay. Now we will write these numbers in the number bond. 80 plus 7 is 87. And it is 80 here and 7 ones. Let's investigate. What if Zara chooses 0 ones? If Zara will choose 0 ones, then no problem. See, if there are how many tens? 8 tens, and Zara chooses 0 ones, like she is not choosing any ones, it is 0 ones, then the number would be 80 and it will be 80 plus 0. Okay, next is, what can you say about those numbers? We can say that those numbers are like multiples of 10, 70, 80, 60, and then add some ones in it. Okay, what if Aaron chooses 0 tens? Okay, if Aaron will choose 0 tens, then we'll have a single digit number. What can you say about those numbers? Here I said that about those numbers we can say that they are multiples of tens plus any ones. Okay, any unit, any ones. Okay. Sometimes people complain that I speak so fast. That's why I have explained this again. Okay, what if Aaron chooses 0 tens? Okay, if the number is 87 and it has number bonds, Aaron was choosing tens. Aaron said that I don't want to choose any tens, then there will be only one side. So we will not write anything at tens side, and if we have to write it on number bond, we can write like 0 plus 7. We can write 0 plus 7, and if we have to break down the number bond, we can do 3 plus 4 as number 7. But here we have to tell that we have 0 tens. So that's why we will write 0 at tens side and 7 at ones side. What can you, like here, tens and ones. Here we will write 0 and here we will write 7. What can you say about those numbers? About those numbers, we can say that they are single digit numbers. And about the first, these numbers, we can say that they are double digit numbers. Saying that they are double digit numbers and they are single digit numbers, it is very much easy for the students to understand. How many of each collection? Estimate, then count to check. My estimate is above, I think it would be something between 50 and 100, like 80, or if I have to choose the estimate I will circle 100. and I think it would be wastage of time to count all the beans right here. But okay, let's count if if you want to see how many are they. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So they are 83. 83. Yeah, I told you that my guess was in between 50 and 100. So the actual number is 83. Draw a ring around the groups of 10 objects. Count in tens and then in ones to find out how many in the collection. It is tip is written. Okay. They are telling us okay, how to count easily. Uh, but making uh, tens groups is also difficult, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then circle them. Circle tens. Circling tens is also, this way is also difficult. The easy way I think is like circle 4. 4 is easy and number and quick to add in mind. 1, 2, 3 times 4, 4 times 4, 5 times 4, 6 times 4. Okay, do it and then get to know that how much is your answer. Okay, here estimate and count. Here I think they are less than 50. I think they are 20. And here we can just do 4, 4, 4, 8, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 1 left. 29. Okay, 29. Here the tip is you can choose to count in twos as well as tens. Like you can make the groups of twos and tens. Okay. Were your estimates good in question number 3? Yes, very much good. Okay, what helps you to make a good estimate? Like sense, good sense helps us to make good estimate. When we look at the number, we can imagine. We can just think and make educated guess. Okay, Marcus counts from 0 to 100 in twos. Draw a ring around any number he does not say. So he said the counting in twos, but they didn't tell us that he said the counting in twos of odd number or even number. When they specify this, then we have to exactly follow what they said. Like counting in twos can be from 3, 5, 7. Here again they are counting in twos, but they are counting odd numbers. But when it is not mentioned, then it is definitely even numbers counting. Okay, I just told you that because in higher grades, it can be a question. Okay, Marcus counts from 0 to 100 in twos. So Marcus is counting in even numbers. Draw a ring around any number he does not say. So 68 is even. He does not say 7. 24 is even. Here again I want to give you the tip of even numbers. It is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers, or any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is also an even number. So 42 ending with 2 is even number. So Marcus said this. Marcus doesn't say 37. He doesn't say 91. He doesn't say 15. 86 he said, because 86 is even number. 86 is ending with 6, and 6 is an even number here. 59 is not even. 63 is not even. 8 and 11 is not even. 8 is even. 73 is not even. So why doesn't Marcus say these numbers? Because he counted in twos. Marcus didn't say these numbers because he counted in twos, and these are odd numbers that we got. Because he counted in twos, and every time he jumped on an even number, and every time he jumped on an even number. Let's investigate. Zara draws this shape on 100 square. She says that she always has 2 or 3 odd numbers in her shape. 2 or 3 odd numbers. Is Zara correct? Convince your partner. Okay, let's see if she is correct. Okay, she said that she draws a shape. Let me draw a shape randomly over here. Okay, we started with an odd number, and we have 3 odd numbers here. Okay, Zara said that every time she draws this shape, she has 2 or 3 odd numbers. We started with odd number. Let's start with an even number. Let's see, even number is this 45. Yes, she is correct. If we will start with an even number, then we will have 2 odd numbers. And if we will start with an odd number like 39 is odd number. If we start with an odd number, we will have 3 odd numbers in this shape. Like in 9's line, these all are odd numbers. In this line, they have 43 and 45 odd number. So uh, Zara is right in saying this. Okay, how did you convince your partner that you were correct? We will just share the hundred grid, like I just shared with you. I just showed you this. I will show this to my partner or to my class fellow to convince her that I am correct. Okay, comparing and ordering numbers. We are going to use what you know about place value to compare and order numbers. Yes, place value really matters when we are comparing two numbers, tens and ones. Tens and ones. Like 53 is greater than 35. So uh, digits are same but place value is changed. Order matters and place value. Like if we will not write 5 first, our number will become smaller. Make sequences of numbers, find out how to say and use ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are the numbers first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. TH लगता है ना in ordinal numbers. Okay. So let's read the keywords of this unit. Close, closer, end, stop, finish, extend, ordering, ordinal numbers, sequence, start, beginning. Okay, 36 is now, sorry, read from here. Now that you know about numbers to 100, you can use them to compare quantities. 36 is more than 24, so there are more marbles in the box of 36 marbles than in the bag of 24 marbles. So where are the more marbles? In the box are the more marbles. Okay, show 29, 65 and 82 on this number line. 29 will come here a little before 39. 65 will come here exactly in the middle of 60 and 70. And 82 will come here a little bit after 80. 82. Let's see how much this unit is left. I think only 3-4 pages are left. Okay, so let's do it. I am actually getting tired. I'm teaching since long. Okay, use what you know about ordinal numbers to find each monster. Ordinal numbers are, the numbers first, second, third. Okay. Start at the bus stop. Draw a ring around the second monster. It is first, it is second. Because we have to start from the bus stop. So draw a ring around the second monster. Draw a line under the sixth monster. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Draw a line under the sixth monster. Tick the third monster. Okay, let me remove these lines and now pick the third monster. It is. Okay. Next, work the example 3. A number sequence starts at 58. It counts back in twos and stops at 50. What are the numbers in sequence? Okay, a number sequence starts at 58. It counts back in twos. So we have to make a jump of twos backward, like 56, 54, 52 and 50. Okay, what are the numbers in the sequence? These are the numbers in the sequence. Okay, hey, they're written here. Okay, all the numbers have 5 tens and they are even. Yes, it is true that these all numbers are even because they started with an even number and made the jumps in twos. So the answer would definitely be an even number and they have 5 tens. Okay, a number sequence starts at 37. 37. Count in, it counts on in tens and stops at 77. 37, they said that count in tens. 37, 47, 57, 67 and 77. What can you say about all the numbers in sequence? You wrote for question number 3. For question number 3, what can we say? We can say that these all are odd numbers and this is counting in tens. Onward counting in tens. Okay, Sophia's number sequence is 74, 64, 54, 44 and 34. Complete the description of Sophia's number sequence. Dash at 74, we will say that start. Start at 74, count backward because these numbers are going backward. Count backward in tens. Stop at 34. Okay. Worked example number 4. Compare 34 and 43. This is what I told you, that place value really matters. These are tens, these are ones. It is 34, and when we write 43, so the numbers are entirely changed because we have changed their place value. So 34 is less than 43. Here we just have to tell the students that they have less tens and more ones. 34, and it has more tens and less ones. It is 43. So the value of tens is more. Tens are bigger than ones. That's why this number is bigger. Okay, compare 75 and 57. Which is the greater number? 75, let's see where 57 and 75 comes. 57 will be right here, and 75 will be somewhere here. And we know that any number on the right side, is greater than the number written on the left side. Okay, use a number line or place value grid to help you. Okay, we will use number line, and any number written on the right side of any number written at the left side, the number written at the right side would be a greater number. When we keep going to the right side, we will have greater numbers as compared to the left side. Okay? And they said that you can use place value grid. This is place value grid. Here we can tell that the more further you go, you will have greater numbers. Okay? And the chart goes this way. This way. The more further you go, you will have greater numbers. What to do in it? Tens and ones. Okay, if it is for question number 6, so we will write tens and ones like this. 57 and 75. Okay, first we will write 57. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for 75, we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we write them in sequence, like if we can make pairs, then counting becomes easier. Question number 7. Order these numbers from smallest to greatest. Which number is smallest here? It is this: 21, 34, 42, 67 and 86. Zara says you only need to look at the tens numbers to order numbers. Is this always true? sometimes true or never true? Sometimes true. Because see, when we order numbers 75, 84, 32, then yes, if we just look at the tens side, we can say that 32 is less than 75 and then 84 is the greatest number. But when we have numbers like 74, 78 and 36, then how will you compare? Then you have to see the one side as well. So Zara is, whatever Zara is saying, that can be true sometimes, not always. Okay, this is progress check and I think it is the last thing to do. Okay, complete the missing numbers on these pieces from 100 square. It is very easy, we just did it. Okay. What will we write if we go down? Counting in tens, it will become 75. Just think about this number in your mind, no need to write. And when we will go left to it, it will be 74. And it is 84. And here it will be 83. Here it will be 76. And below 76 is 86. And here it is 87. Okay, if we will go up, and after doing it, ask your kids to remove these numbers. They write with pencil already, so it is easy for them to do. Okay, before 65 is 64. And here it is 63. Here it is, sorry, by mistake I have written 64. It is counting in tens. It is, when we will go up, it will be 55. And here it will be 54 and 56. 56, you can see it is 76, 86. 56, 66, 80, 76. Okay. Yes, it is 56. It is 57. And when go up, it will be 47. And here it will be 53. And when go up, it will be 43. Okay, I think these two are really easy. Isaac's number sequences 69, 67, 65, 63 and 61. Complete the description of his number sequence. So is it ongoing pattern or backward counting? It is backward counting. So start at 69, count in twos, count backward in twos. In this blank we will write twos. Stop at 61. Okay, next is show 18. These numbers on number line 18 will come here. And 56 will come here. 92 will come here. Okay, order these numbers from smallest to greatest. 16, 61, 67, 76 and then 77. So we are all done in this unit. This is project and your teacher would help you to do this project in the school. I am done till here. You can ask me anything in the comment section if you want to ask anything related to this unit. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.